On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2016 Jayco White Hawk 24 RKS. This ultra-light travel trailer features an impeccable attention to detail, with a stylish and convenient design that makes getting down to the fun, fast and easy. As you enter, you'll step into the kitchen area. There you will find plenty of exceptional features that will help make the space extremely functional. Just past the refrigerator, there is a 3-burner range, microwave, and a corner-mounted kitchen sink along the rear of the trailer. The roadside slide-out has dual pantries and overhead storage framing the convertible sofa. On the opposite side you will find a cozy dinette with a recessed TV above, along the forward wall, plus lots of overhead cabinets on the side wall. As you continue towards the front, there is additional wardrobe storage on the left, across from the bathroom on the right. The private bath has a corner toilet, sink, mirrored medicine cabinet, and a spacious corner shower with skylight and textured glass doors. In the front bedroom you will find a comfortable queen bed with 2 mirrored wardrobes, one on either side of the bed above the nightstands. You'll soar to all your adventurous destinations in ease and comfort, with this Jayco White Hawk hitched behind you. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.